In this lecture, we're going to look at solving trig equations. When we look at solving trig equations, you need to determine what the variable is going to be. So for instance, if we had like 2x equals 6, the variable is x. Well here, because we have trig equations, the variable is going to be sine or cosine. So you need to ask yourself, what do you need to do to get the sine by itself? Well, you are going to have to divide by 2. And if you do it to one side, you do it to the other side. So now you're going to be left with sine of theta equals square root of 3 over 2. Now, you need to look at the unit circle and determine where does sine of theta equal square root over 2. And this one is going to have a couple different answers. The first one is going to be degrees. So this is 60 degrees and 120 degrees. Now, sometimes you might be required to write your answer in radians. So in which case we're going to, instead of writing 60 degrees, you could put pi over 3. And then instead of 120, you could put 2 pi over 3. To determine which one to write, degrees or radians, just look at the directions and it will tell you what form they want the answers in. Let's take a look at the second one. We have 2 cosine theta plus square root of 3 equals 0. The first thing you need to do is subtract the square root of 3 to both sides. So you have 2 cosine of theta equals negative square root of 3. Now, you need to divide by 2 on both sides. So you're left with cosine theta equals negative 3 over 2. So now, take a look at the unit circle, and where does cosine theta equal negative square root of 3 over 2? In degrees, the answer is going to be 150 degrees and 210 degrees. Now, if the directions want it in radians, just give the radians. So we have 5 pi over 6, and then we have 7 pi over 6.